Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to beat the Mime in Expedition 33. The Mime is a tricky enemy that relies on counterattacks and delayed strikes to punish careless aggression. When fighting the Mime, focus on watching its movement and animation cues, and mostly because its attacks are pretty much just two types. But first, when initiating the fight with the Mime, it brings up a barrier and 3 shields. So it's important to start with destroying the shields first before trying out any skills on it. Now if you pay close attention, when you start to damage the Mime, you'll deal incredibly low damage. That's because of the barrier it set up at the start of the fight. But look closely downward its own health bar, and you'll see a yellow bar under it. That's the one you have to focus. If you attack the Mime continuously, or counterattack it after perfectly parrying its attacks, you'll find that bar rising higher and higher. You can also raise this faster with an attack that has "can break" in its text.
For those who come after.
Once you break the puppet, it now takes full damage from your expedition. If you're unfamiliar with the attack patterns, I suggest focusing on dodging the attacks first rather than parrying to save your resources. When it comes to fighting Mimes, patience is key in this fight, and rushing will usually lead to failure. And this is how to beat the Mime in Expedition 33.